Hi everyone. Good morning. It's
early.
6 o'clock. And we just left the second hotel that we stayed at. And we're on our way to Mexico.
It rained the whole time, but we got some good sleep.
Yeah.
So anyway, heading on down to Fort Lauderdale to jump on the airplane to Cancun.
Yes. We have about a 2-hour flight and we will see you then.
Let's go check out the airport and see what they're doing down there.
Let's go. That's not how you start the vlog. So we walking through the airport. Everybody had masks on, but we being careful. And everybody looking at us crazy because you logging.
I'm glad we're going somewhere, but I hate this.
Yeah, he'll forget all about it when we get there.
It's very uncomfortable.
He'll forget about it when we get there. Trust me.
I'm having difficulty breathing.
The weather is beautiful here. It's been like in the 80s. And it's normally 100 and up where we live at. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and sit down and talk to you guys for a little bit and fly to Mexico.
All right. It was a good crowd. See all this? But we can't go on a cruise, huh? No cruising, no. Ridiculous. All right, everybody. So I'm not sure how this is okay. The cruising isn't. Just saying.
It's like no social distancing on the airplane at all.
Airport off the hook.
It's seriously off the hook. Every seat is packed. I don't know what they said, skip a seat or half full, because every single seat is full.
Still look confused how this is okay, but cruising isn't.
No. Now you are.
I always thought that too. They force the social distancing outside of the airplane, but once you get in the airplane, like everyone's like right next to you.
Look at this.
They won't let us cruise. Bull crap.
But we can't sit next to each other in the terminal on the airplane.
No social distancing on the airplane. Every seat is full.
They're gonna be out of the airplane.
How is this happening?
Hold my peace, enjoy our trip. But we're supposed to be in Greece today. All right, well, here we go.
Flight attendants armed doors for departure, cross checking off off.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the seatbelt sign is still on. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Okay.
That was a pretty short flight.
That was a really short flight. It was 1 hour and 23 minutes. It was kind of a lot of tension on the plane. But once we landed, it was okay.
Yeah. Anyway, we're on our shuttle here. We'll tell you more about the shuttle later. We'll see how we like it. So far, so good. And we are on our way to the hotel.
The only thing I didn't like was coming through customs. After customs, it was a lot of panhandling.
We'll talk about
that later.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
You want something?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Very pretty.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Very pretty.
All right, do your thing. All right, here we go. Here we go.
We get everything turned up.
Uh-huh. Very good.
Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. We gotta take care of you guys. You keep coming.
Yep.
Where you come from? Orlando. Orlando, Florida. You come from the sun. Yes. It's very hot over there too, isn't it? See,
Oh yeah, very hot.
it's hotter there than here. Is it really? Oh wow.
Pretty cool.
Get in your hand.
Oh, hand.
There you are.
Okay.
Good. Good.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at the ocean. There we go. You good? Perfect. Thank you very much. You got my strawberry? Thank you.